How to fix Facebook newsfeed not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if your Facebook newsfeed is not loading. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. To check, you can open up any web browser and launch open internet speed testing website. Here you want to check if your internet is stable or not. You can switch between Wi-Fi and data and check, or you can also turn on the flight mode and then turn it off again. Then you want to open the Facebook app and check if your problem has been fixed. Now, if the internet is not the problem, then we can move on to the next step. Next step is to check if your Facebook app is fully updated. For that, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Then you want to search for Facebook in the search bar. Now, if you find the update button, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After that, you want to open Facebook app and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings, then tap on apps. Now, a list of all the applications installed on your device will be displayed. From here, you want to select Facebook. Now, you want to select storage. Over here, you want to tap on the clear cache option. Now, if after clearing cache your problem is still not fixed, you simply want to uninstall the Facebook app on your device. After it has been uninstalled, you simply want to install the application again and check. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.